Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. In this video I am recreating a look that my friend Evelina did of a sim that she basically was randomizing all the makeup options and stuff like that, and she was like, okay, pick. She's like, tell me when you want me to stop, tell me when you want me to stop, tell me all that. So we came up with this look here. This is the look, and I'm gonna recreate that on my face. It's my birthday. I have done jack shit for like 2 weeks because I feel like crap, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do my makeup tonight. It's my birthday. I do what I want. So if you're interested in seeing me recreate this Sims of myself, then keep watching. Alright guys, so this is my final look. So this again is the picture that Evelina gave me to work with, and this is what I've come up with. So I think it's pretty fucking spot on. Even the green lipstick, I couldn't quite get the right green, but I figure it's pretty fucking close. Like, I don't have a lime green anything. But yeah, the eyeliner, the white eyeliner that I've used is literally flaking off every time I blink. It's just that dry and old, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those eventually. But yeah, the only thing I really hate about this is the cheeks, the highlighter that I used. But it's in the picture, so I had to do it. That's the rules. So, anyways, I hope you guys like this video. It was just a fun, lighthearted thing for me to do. Like I said, it's my birthday, so I wanted to do something to make me feel a bit better. And, yeah, I had this one kind of lined up and ready to go. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!